Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to hide Revolut balance. So let's get into the video. So firstly, what you're going to do, you're going to log into your Revolut account. So once you've logged into your Revolut account here, so what we're going to do, once you've logged in, so you're going to go and hit on your profile tab here. So on your top left, click on your profile tab and then go to your accounts option here. So when you get to your account option here, so you will see an option called privacy. So hit on this privacy option here. So once you hit on the privacy option here, scroll down and you will see an option called hide balances. So if you want to hide the balance, make sure you turn this switch on. So turn that on and then that's it. Your balance will be now hidden. And all you have to do is just toggle with this switch, and that's pretty much it is. You'll be able to hide your balance. So that's pretty much it is. I hope this video was helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.